operative machine. Computer configuration recommendations. Maintop installation. Enter installation path. After installation, open maintop to add model curve. Click Install maintop printer. Find the curve file, open it and add it. Set up maintop direct printing. Maintop type setting and printing. Add picture. Set picture size properties. Set print page size. Picture layout alignment. Click Print Settings. Set the pass number and the amount of white ink. Open the control software and click Online. Wait a few seconds for the software to come on and automatically online successfully. Return to maintop and click Print. You can print while RIP.